Words are words. Words are words, our words are real. And words can harm or words can heal. And words can hide or help reveal the way you really, truly feel. Words are pretty things. They leap from tongue when your heart sings to match the song on your heartstrings and share the noise of joy it brings. Words are words, our words are strong. And words can change who gets along or make you feel you don't belong when words are words, our words are wrong. Words are bigger still than castles or the paper mill, for without words we could not build, since building plans are all word-filled. Words are letters, too, just 26, arranged by you, a mixed and matched up alphabet stew to share the thoughts your brain can spew. And words are words, and words can play, but words can hurt in the same way. Be careful with your words today. There's strength in every one you say.